Hello traders, the title of the video is how to avoid selling financial instruments prematurely. Alright, so sometimes some traders are what we call die-hard bearish traders, and they just want to sell. Alright, they are looking for every excuse to sell, and sometimes they are selling prematurely, which means they are selling too early, or they are selling without any good reason. All right, so what they are doing, they are forcing the price down. One group of those traders is the stochastic CCI and RSI traders. Anytime the stochastic is overbought, CCI is overbought, RSI is overbought, they want to sell, and they are selling prematurely. All right, and they will keep their fingers, their legs, their arms, their toes, their hair, and everything crossed, hoping for the price to come down. All right, I've done it myself a few years ago, especially on the 3-minute time frame. People just want to sell. They are itching to sell. They are born sellers, and they hate to buy. All right. Or probably they see a bearish trading setup, and they wake up that day, and all they want to do, they see only red. They just want to sell that stock. That stock is very bearish. They have done their technical analysis over the weekend, and comes Monday, they are ready only to sell. Be ready to buy and to sell. Now, how do you avoid selling financial instruments prematurely? That's an excellent question. One trick that technical traders are doing, they are waiting for common trend line to be broken. That thing that I said now will help you to avoid selling prematurely. You see the trend line that I'm drawing on this chart? That trend line. You see that common trend line along this price. Some professional trader will never sell this stock as long as it stays above that trend line. That's how disciplined they are. They will not sell it. Even those who sell it here, they will not take part in it. Just because of that trend line, some professional trader may not sell this stock as long as it stays below that trend line. So to avoid selling prematurely, at any point that you think that the price has a high chance to go down, that common trend line must be broken. You see, it's broken with this one. The following candlestick, that candlestick bar is closed. The following candlestick bar went a little bit down and only to go back up. You see, because if you look, when you draw a common trend line, pay attention to other trend line that are a little bit below that. So there's another trend line there. So apart from that common trend line there is another trend line. So pay attention to every trend line that is below. So the common trend line is broken. They are looking for the next trend line. So that they only sell it to here. But the dominant trend line is this one. So to avoid selling prematurely, the first thing that you need to do, at least the common trend line to be broken. That's the first condition. And then retest it. Break below, retest common trend line, and then before you implement a different time frame trading method to sell it down. All right. Some traders will not even sell the financial instrument. They use another tool that we call pitchfork tool. So like now, if I place pitchfork tool like this on this chart, oh, that's not useful to us because it's going like this. I'll put it in a different way. Don't worry, I'll change the color of that pitchfork tool in a minute and you can see it. You see the pitchfork tool on my chart? Can you see yes or no? That's a pitchfork tool. So some professional traders that are using the pitchfork tool, they will not even sell the stock as long as is inside the boundary or the pitchfork tool. And also, As if it goes above the P42, they will say that the bullish momentum is increasing. They will not even try to sell it here like some people did here. They will wait until it comes back below the P42 before they will sell it. So the first thing that you want to do to avoid selling financial instruments like a crazy bearish traders or prematurely, use the common set trend line. Wait until the common set trend line is broken and then implement a different time frame trading method. The second thing that you want to do, wait for a signal. So you say, George, I want to sell it. I see a bearish trading setup. I want to sell this stock. It can't be true. The price has been going down for more than 14 days. I have read somewhere on the web that when the price goes up for 14 days, on the 15th day, it will come down. I have read somewhere that when the stochastic reaches the 95 level, definitely the price will come down. I've read somewhere that if the CCR reaches the level of 200 or 240, definitely it will come down. All right? Don't sell prematurely. Wait for a signal. So the only time one should attempt to sell any financial instrument in the financial market is when one has received a valid bearish trading signal. Normally, we should call the police to those that can we do that? Call the police for those that are selling financial instruments prematurely. I think bullish traders will be clapping and say, yes, George, those people are messing up my trade. Why should they sell prematurely? Why everybody is not buying? All right, but the price does not go up forever. Sometimes people have to sell. But in order to sell, to avoid selling financial instruments prematurely, you want to see a signal. So it's not sufficient, okay, for the trend line to be broken. When the trend line is broken, now did you receive a signal? How do you know that there is a signal? That's a very good question. You will use multiple time frame trading method, or what we call different time frame trading method, or what we call a top-down trading method. You may say, George, I'm a baby trader, I'm a beginner. Why are you talking to me like that? Don't worry, okay? I was a baby trader also before. You too search the phrase mastering top-down trading method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. You see a video playlist, 5 videos that will help you also to master the top-down trading method. It's very simple, but you want to give it enough time, at least 1 month. You use a demo account, practice, or at least even 2 months for some trader to master the top-down trading method. You may go through the ups and downs during the learning curve, but if you want to master it, you will master the top-down trading method. It may not make sense to some traders today, but you will understand it as you go along. The market timing is too important. So to avoid selling financial instruments prematurely, the first condition is that at least the common settle line is broken. All right. The second condition is that we must have a signal to sell on the signal time frame. With those two things, you start avoiding to sell financial instrument prematurely. You will stop, okay, selling on the lower time frame anywhere, anyhow, just because you can see here, you see this zone, people are selling on the hourly time frame. They are selling. And the price is still consolidating. If you are selling here, this is a speculative trade. It's a consolidation play only. You are doing on the hourly time frame. All right? But, okay? Don't just use the stochastic overbought, RSI overbought, CC overbought. All right? Even if you're on the hourly time frame like this, even if it's consolidating, again, use the common central line. You see? You see? The common central line will help you. So even if you touch it here, so here you see it's coming to the top. People were selling on the top. Here they didn't sell. You see? It just climbed above the top of the consolidation. The test is still going up. And right now I can assure you that there are a lot of people that were selling, okay, in that zone. Only one can see bar down. Are you scalping? If you are scalping, then good, all right? So work on it and master it, all right? We can say more. In fact, for those who want to sell and hold, buying a put option, combine technical analysis, which means trend line is broken, top-down trading method, check the fundamentals, all right? Check the fundamental, all right? And sometimes it's crazy to try to sell the financial instrument. What is happening, the worst time to sell a financial instrument prematurely is during the third area wave, or during a strong bullish trend, or during the strongest section of a bullish trend. That's why professional traders sometimes, when they see sometimes a trend line like this, they don't want to sell it at all. Or when they see the P42 like this, they say, yes, it goes above the P42, I'm not going to sell it. But some people may sell like this gently, carefully, it's a risky trade, but some professionals will not sell. Say, it's a buy. The trend line is not broken. They are not fighting the trend. That's what they are doing. See the median line here, he pulled back to retest the median on the P42, it's still going up. When the price was here, it looks very bearish, isn't it? So some days, especially on the hourly time frame, you see the whole day the price going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. You say, all right, that's enough. Okay, going up too long, 100 pips so far. They're going to take profit now. I will sell. Don't just sell, especially if you're on the 5 minutes. Don't just sell because it went up too long and you are waiting to sell and you couldn't sell before. And you say, oh, it's 200 pips up now. Definitely it will come down. Don't do that. Use the common trend line and implement a top-down trading method. Will that be helpful? I think so. All right. Let me know in the comment section. All right. So if you have any question or suggestion, lament, complaint, put in the comment section, and in due course I'll be answering your question. All right. If this video has been useful to you, please let us know by giving us the beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and a terminal. Okay. The financial instrument that we were analyzing today is Pfizer Incorporated Epic FISV Foxtrot Indian Sierra Victor, belonging to the industrial sector, business services. All right. If you want to learn more about technical trading, go to www.stochastic-macd. This video will be posted first at the 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, DG2G4 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel today, please, and be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be informed. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about how to avoid selling financial instruments prematurely. Sometimes I'm posting video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is stochastic-macd. Follow us also on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all. More amazing tutorials are coming soon.